Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload and send email newsletter templates with ActiveCampaign. This is a fantastic way to create visually stunning newsletters using custom HTML code, giving you complete control over your email designs and branding. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns and automation. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your campaigns. Locate and click on Email. This section is your hub for everything related to email marketing within ActiveCampaign. Once you click it, a submenu will appear with additional options. In that submenu, browse through the options and click on Campaign Templates. This is where you'll store and manage all your custom email templates, making it easy to reuse designs across multiple campaigns without starting from scratch each time. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Create a Template. This button opens up the template creation process, allowing you to build something entirely new for your email campaigns. You'll now see different template options. Click on Custom HTML, which gives you the flexibility to use your own code rather than relying on pre-built templates. After selecting this, click Continue to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll see a text box appear on your screen. This is where you can paste your HTML code for the email template. But before we do that, we need to actually get some HTML code to work with. Let's navigate over to befree.io, which is a powerful email design tool that generates clean HTML code. Log into your BeFree account to access their template library. This platform makes it incredibly easy to design professional-looking emails without needing to code from scratch. Once you're logged in, browse through their available templates and select one that fits your newsletter style and purpose. When you've found the perfect template, click on Start Designing. This opens up the template in BeFree's editor where you can customize colors, text, images, and layout. After you finish customizing your design to match your brand, look to the upper right corner and click on Export. This is the crucial step that converts your visual design into usable HTML code. An options menu will appear on your screen. Look for the section labeled Get the HTML code and click the copy icon next to it. This copies the entire HTML code to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into ActiveCampaign. Now that you've copied the HTML code, switch back to your ActiveCampaign tab. Remember that text box we saw earlier. Go ahead and paste your code directly into that text box. The code contains all the styling, structure, and content from your BeFree design. Finally, look to the upper right corner once more and click Save and Exit. This saves your custom HTML template to your ActiveCampaign library, making it available for use in any future email campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a custom email newsletter template to ActiveCampaign using HTML code from BeFree. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.